Hey, what's wrong with you, man?
My dog died, man.
Oh.
I found him on the side of the road. He's gone, man.
What the
Wow. Hey, yo, that's not funny, man. His dog is gone. Don't look at me like that. Yo wasn't like this when my fish Nemo died. Cause nobody cares about your stupid fish Nemo. What? He's not even a clownfish. See, that proves my point right there. One of y'all killed him. When I came back, why is he just floating in the water? I said you wanna know so bad, I killed your fish. I took him out the water. What? Put him on the ground like this. Stomped on him like this. And threw him across the ground.
Hey, yo. Since we all being honest,
I ran over your dog. My bad. I was on the way here. I was going this way. He was coming that way. You know what happened. So you did it. So you killed my dog. And I smashed him mama. What?
Nani?
Whoa. Yo, I'ma kill you. Time to go.